Okay, so I've given you a worksheet that probably makes no sense. So what we want to do here now is take a moment and kind of walk you through the convention used on this worksheet and how you might go about solving it so that you can complete this assignment and then give your recommendation to your CMO based on what you think is the right next step. So what you'll see here is that we have a worksheet with last click, first click, and linear attribution models. So you can kind of tab through these different options to get what you need. And so what you want to do is understand these conventions. So first what you'll see is that OS represents organic search, PS paid search, DS display, EM email, NC no conversion or purchase, or $ conversion purchase event. And then I've laid out here 7 sample conversion journeys. So you'll see here in Visitor 1, interacts with a display ad, comes to the site and does not convert. And you'll see here with Visitor 2, interacts with by doing an organic search, then comes in through email and ultimately converts. And you can see here, since we're using the last touch prior to conversion, gets 100% of the credit model, and we have a conversion event worth $100. The email then gets $100 credit for driving that conversion. And you can see here on Visitor Path 3, Visitor Path 5, and Visitor Path 7, you can see how I've allocated those $100 based on the last click model. You'll notice in conversion paths 1 and 4, there's no credit given because there's no conversion event. And so we want to make sure that our attribution models are only giving credit to those that convert. And so what you do then is bring that up here to this table that I've created, and really it's just a bunch of ratios to figure out how to allocate the budget. But in this example, you'll see that there was one organic search event that gets $100. There's one display event that gets $100, and then the other 3 events are email, and they get $300, and so that totals $500. So what you can do is go ahead and then calculate that ratio by dividing this by the total value of the conversion events. And then eventually taking that budget ratio and multiplying that against your total marketing budget to see how you should allocate that money. So the ratio carries through and you get $20,000 for organic search, $20,000 for display, and $60,000 for email, which makes sense because email was 3 times more effective in this model in terms of driving conversion paths. And so what you want to do is make sure then that you do that for first click and linear, and then compare the 3 models and then make a recommendation. Hopefully this method makes sense. I've also posted the answers so you can work through it. If you have any questions, please post to the forum and I'll try and give you a hand. Thanks and good luck.